Fine. So let us now begin. Let us now begin one more interesting and again important question. Question number 13. अच्छा हुआ कल लेक्चर that is why I selected an easy question in yesterday's session ताकि I knew आज के सेशन में I required fresh minds. ठीक है. Yes. So let us begin question number 13. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, ये भी थोड़ा यूनिक क्वेश्चन है, बट इसमें आई डोंट सी लॉस ऑफ स्टॉक, आई थिंक इट इज ओनली लॉस ऑफ प्रॉफिट. चालू करेंगे क्वेश्चन 13 प्लीज. लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे, फॉर द सब्जेक्ट एंड फॉर द सिलेबस, एक साथ. यस, लेट अस रीड प्लीज. मोनालिसा एंड कंपनी रन्स अ प्लास्टिक गुड्स शॉप. ठीक है. The following details are available from quarterly sales tax return file. अभी the details are available from data, the details are available from the sales tax file or whatever details. अपना काम है details का. So we have been given the sales for 1, for 2, for 3 and for 4, and I can see there is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Can I say we've got ample data. चारों साल का क्वार्टर वाइज सेल्स अपने को पता है, बराबर. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ेंगे. एंड टोटल्स भी ऑल्सो आई नो. चलो टोटल्स भी देकर रखा है 620, 713, 819 एंड 706. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ेंगे. देन एडिशनल डेटा पीरियड सेल्स फ्रॉम यूनिक 16 September till 30th September. Can I say this is sales of 15 days? पहली बार we have been given sales of 15-day period, चिंदी जैसा, बराबर ना? Yes. And then we have been given sales for 16 September till 30th September 04, again 15 days. Then we have been given sales of 16 December to 31st December 03 and the same 16 December 4 to 31st December 4. So for some reason 15 days का sales देकर रखा है. We'll see where the data is going to be used. ठीक है. A loss of profit policy was taken for 1 lakh. So can I say this is my value of the policy value for loss of profit, 1 lakh rupees. ठीक है. And the fire occurred on 15th September 2004. अब जाके मालूम पड़ेगा as to why details have been given for those 15 days. वो adjust करने काम आएगा अपने को. So there is some logic behind that data given for 15 days of sales. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ेंगे. The indemnity period was 3 months. ठीक है. Net profit was 1,20,000 and standing charges all insured amounting to 43,990 for the year ending 31st December 03. Fire कभी हुआ 15 September 4. तो पिछले साल का we have been given the details of the net profit, the standing charges. So this will help us probably to get my GP rate. ठीक है. Determine the insurance claim. So the question frankly is simple. One, because data बहुत दिया है. The minute you see a lot of data, it should be a good news because data अगर ज्यादा है, so there is nothing hidden. So if data is known, we just have to figure out what dates to what dates turnover we want, what dates to what dates sales we want, क्या dates adjust करना है, and ये सब करने के बाद we will get the data that we actually need. बरोबर का? चालू करेंगे. Yes. चला. So as usual, there is no loss of stock here. So as usual, we will make the format first. We'll figure out what all data we need, and looking at the data, looking on those quarters, looking at those 15 days period, वो add less करते करते अपने को अपना काम मिल जाएगा. चलो, let us go step by step. Question number 13. We have loss of profit. अपन इसका कंप्यूटेशंस कर रहे हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 1, we compare the indemnity period of 3 months with the dislocation period. Now they haven't really given the dislocation period, but तुम्हारा sales देखो 31st December 04 तक डेटा दे के रखा है, so I'll assume that sales are impacted for 3 months. Therefore all calculations are going to be made for 3 months. Fine. Then we give the heading of adjusted standard turnover. Now you guys tell me the date that I need for adjusted standard turnover. वो trend when to will figure out, but first get the concept ready कि which date I want for these 3 months. फायर कब हुआ था? 15 सितंबर 4. बताइए which 3 months of standard turnover do I need, or standard turnover pertains to which 3 months? One thing is very sure that we need for 3 months because 3 months is the dislocation period. पब्लिक सोच रहा है, सोचो. Answers have come 15/9/03 to 15 December 03, 16/9 to 16/12. ईयर कौन सा है भाई? ईयर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रीवियस ईयर 03. परफेक्ट. सो अगर फायर 4 में लगा है, सो वी नीड फ्रॉम 16th September 03 to 15 December 03. सॉरी 04 तो 03. So this is what the turnovers, the standard turnover का data we need. So how do we compute it? We'll have to compute वो 3 months का less 15 days का थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, and then ऐसे करते करते अब अपने को थोड़ा सा वो गणित करके मैथ्स करना पड़ेगा. Unfortunately, yes. So let us start doing the ganit. All the details are given to me. It is just a question of adjusting. Sixteenth sales दिया है क्या उसका पीरियड का? We want 16th September 03. हाँ तो we'll start from 34,000. So 16th September 03 to 30th September 03. बताइए ये कितना है? $34,000. Then we will need to so we have just reached the end of September, so we will need उसके बाद from 1st October, so we'll have to find 1st October से लेकर 31st December, and then we have to subtract 15 days also. 1st October 03 to 31st December 03. ये बताइए कितना है? First October 03, 31st December 03, 190. ये वाला 190. But we only want till 15th of December. So what we'll do is we'll subtract 16th December 03 to 31st December 03. Is this making sense? अपने को चाहिए up to 15 December only, but we have added sales up to 31st December. So we have 190 के अंदर 15 days are extra. So we'll subtract the 15 days to come at the sales till 15 December only. Search for 16 December 03 to 31st December 03. 16 December 03, 31st December 03. ये मिला इधर है 60. This is my standard turnover. Are you guys convinced with the standard turnover? नहीं ये स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है, सॉरी ये स्टैंडर्ड है, हाँ स्टैंडर्ड है. Yes. Now add or less or adjust trend. Now do we have the details of the profits and all? वो एक बार ट्रेंड कंप्यूट करना पड़ेगा अपने को. सेल्स 03 में वी कैन कंप्यूट. 03 में तो फायर नहीं हुआ है. जस्ट चेक द ट्रेंड ऑफ 01 to 02 and 02 to 03. 15%. अच्छा एग्जैक्ट 15% है. यस एंड इट इज 01 to 02 15%, दैट इज 620 minus 713 and 713 I mean 713 minus 620 and 819 minus 713. दोनों का राइस 15% ही है. 4 you cannot compare because there is a fire in 4. So उसका अपने को प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. वर्किंग नोट. The profits for 2002 are 15% higher than 2001. मैथ्स करना होगा तो 713 minus 620. And the profits for 2003 are 15% higher than 2002. क्या है वो 819,950. 819,950 minus 713 divided by 713 and into 100. Therefore, trend is 15%. hope I'm audible right now. बताइए. Yes, so 164,000 के ऊपर we'll apply trend. That makes it how much? So I was saying that 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 are 15% trend. It is because of this that we'll apply 15% on the standard turnover to get the adjusted standard turnover, obviously adjusted for trend. किती 164 का 15% total 188,600. This becomes the adjusted standard turnover. वो कुछ नंबर आएगा यहाँ पे, वो तुम लोग कंप्यूट कर लो. So this becomes the adjusted standard turnover. ठीक है. That's my point number 2 in the format. In point number 3, we find out or we mention the actual turnover, and obviously actual turnover should be generally given. Actual turnover in the period 16-12, अरे फायर कभी हुआ है 15 को, तो 16 सितंबर 04 सेल्स है कितना? 16 सितंबर ढूंढो. Are those sales given? $24,600 नहीं, अच्छा वो तो डिफरेंस है. I want the sales from 16th, एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा वो सब. 16th September 04 to 15 December 04. I think we will need to do some adjustments. Try कर सकते हो. One answer is 128,000 with a question mark. One answer is 128,000. ये कहां से आया? हाँ, तो मुझे 1st October, I have the sales from 1st October 4 till 31st December 4, that is 148,000. उसमें से I have to adjust 15 days of October and I will need to, नहीं वहां से I'll adjust October, हाँ तो वहां पे I'll add September के sales and I will subtract 15 days of December के sales. Perfect. 128 should be correct, but दिखाना पड़ेगा वो. So 16/9/04 to 30th/9/04, 60, oh that is 0, plus 1/10/04 to 31/12/04 appears to be 148, and minus 16th December 04 to 31 December 04 20, ऐसा कुछ. Actual turnover 128,000. Normally the actual sales are directly given, but in this question ऐसा घूम घाम के दिया है. So as I said, there is so much data in the question, you just need to know which numbers to adjust from which numbers and you will get the answer. So nothing is hidden in this question, everything is given. तुमको सिर्फ वो data manage करना है and you have to come at the correct numbers. So once we have actual sales as well, we will get short sales. Short sales is 140 क्या था, 188,600. 188,600 minus 128,000 appears to be rupees 60,600. Yes. Have we found the short sales? Any queries? Any queries till the short sales ka stage? No queries. Okay. After which I find the GP rate, which is net profit plus insured standing charges, the whole upon sales into 100. Dhundo. I want the net profit obviously for the previous accounting year. I think ये question में previous accounting year is Jan to December 03 because fire हुआ है 04 में. So I want 03 is net profit. I want the data of insured standing charges and I want 03's sales. The data is given to me, I think, in the last line of the question. Profit 120, insured standing charges, all insured is 43,990. So numerator is sorted. So 120 plus 43,990, the whole upon sales for 2003. Sales for 2003. Can I say it is this? Sales for 2003 is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 of 2003 because we are following, a calendar year. Had we had a financial year, तो अपने को वो add less all the 4 quarters of an accounting year of a financial year करना पड़ता है and we add up. So 819,950. So बताइए what is the GP? GPR राउंड फिगर है, राउंड 20%. Any adjustments that need to be done in the GP for trend or something? I think I only found out the volume increase. I did not read any data like there is a savings in the cost, the cost has come down, selling price has gone up, there is a trend in the GP. ऐसा मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं. So I don't think any adjustment is required in this 20%. Is point number 5 sorted? So can we move to my profit lost stage? Can we move on to profit lost stage? Yes. Point number 6 as per the format is the profit lost, and that is short sales into GP 60,600 into 20. 12,120. Scan the question and tell me, do we have any data regarding additional expenses? बताइए, do we have any data regarding additional expenses? ढूंढो. No. In the absence of additional expenses, there will be no claim for the same. Therefore, loss is equal to profit lost minus savings. I did not read any savings also. For the amount of claim, last point, for the amount of claim, I also need to find the profit on the adjusted annual turnover. Do we have that? Unfortunately, no. So there will be one last working note. Calculation of adjusted annual turnover. फायर हुआ था 15th of September को. So 16th September 03 to 15th September 04. इज द पीरियड करेक्ट? पहले वो कंफर्म कर दे, देन गणित करेंगे. This is the 12 months का turnover immediately prior to the date of fire, and the date of fire was 15th of September or 16th of September 2004. So I will need 3 to 4 का 12 months, exactly एक साल पहले. Are the dates clear? Yes. Yes. So what we'll have to do is 16th September 03 to 30th September 03 plus 1st October 03 to 31st December 03. 16 September 3 to 15 days, 34,000 मेरे ख्याल से. One 10 3 31 12 3. Can I say 190? ये अपना हो गया 2003 का. Are you convinced? The next addition that we need to make is from the year 2004. Are you convinced with this? कि these are the two numbers coming from 2003. हाँ, मुझे इस पे ट्रेंड लेना पड़ेगा वॉल्यूम का, because this pertains to 03 and we are now going to add numbers from 04, and the 04 numbers are already going to be trend adjusted. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, या घूम गए हो अंदर अंदर? नहीं, समझ में आ रहा है? यस, समझ में आ रहा है. सो आई विल एड ट्रेंड adjustment at 15%. टोटल बताइए, 224 प्लस 15% कितनी? 257,600. 257,600. and then I will add 1st Jan 04 to 31st March 04 plus 1st April 04 to 30th June 04 plus 1st July 04 to 7 8 9 30 09 of 04, बट मेरे को चाहिए 15th of 9 तक, तो माइनस 16th 904 to 30th 904. ये समझा? So if you want you can just write this. ये total मतलब है 16th 903 to 31 December 03. तो अपने को 16 से लेकर दिसंबर तक मिल चुका है. नाउ वी हैव टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम जैन टू सितंबर. तो जैन टू सितंबर ट्रैवल करने के लिए वी हैव टू गो क्वार्टर वाइज बिकॉज द डिटेल्स आर गिवन टू अस क्वार्टर वाइज. इज दिस क्लियर? हाँ, तो नंबर्स खोजना पड़ेगा. सेल्स क्वार्टर 104, सेल्स क्वार्टर 104, कैन आई से 162? सेल्स क्वार्टर 204 221, quarter 304 175, but I have to subtract 04 सितंबर के 15 days. 04 सितंबर के 15 days 0. बताइए. टोटल 257,600 प्लस 162,000 प्लस 221,000 प्लस 175,000 माइनस 0. एंड ये करने के बाद आई विल गेट एडजस्टेड एनुअल टर्नओवर 815,600. 815,600, बट मेरे को चाहिए प्रॉफिट. therefore profit on adjusted annual turnover 815,600 के ऊपर आई थिंक 20% ना, वी हैड गॉट समथिंग लाइक दैट. $163 $120. Okay, why have we found this out? We have found this out because the average clause is going to depend on the profit on adjusted annual turnover, and my policy value will be compared with this. अभी what is the policy value? कब से घूम ही रहा हूं मैं इधर से उधर. ढूंढो what is the policy value. $1 lakh. Yes, so policy value is 1 lakh. So you are under insured, तो अपने को वो करना पड़ेगा. So claim is equal to loss into policy value upon GP on adjusted annual turnover, which appears to be 12,120 into 1 lakh divided by 163 120, that is equal to rupees something. $74.30. And that is the final claim, final claim in the loss of profit. झाला. So that is why I attempted question number I think 12 in yesterday's lecture, because कल तुम लोग कोई हालत में थे नहीं to understand this. So I had kept these two sums only for the last session. Smart work, yes, I know. So that marks the end of question number 13. Important question. So आज के दोनों questions जो हुए 11 and 13 both are very important.